Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng insurance pero limited pa ang budget mo, then you should consider getting a term insurance muna. Bakit? Una, affordable siya. Pangalawa, malaki agad yung coverage mo. Then pangatlo, perfect kung nagsisimula ka pa lang mag-ipon or mag-invest. Pero tandaan, term insurance has no savings, premiums can increase over time, at temporary lang yung protection niya. So term insurance, temporary. Now, may tatlong basic types of term insurance, lalo na dito sa amin sa AIA. First, yung yearly renewable term. Yung premium nag increase every year. Second, 5-year renewable term. Fixed for 5 years and then tataas ulit yung premium every 5 years. And third, level term up until age 65. Fix yung premium hanggang age 65. So, to make a decision, if you want to lock in a low premium, ensure ka na kaya mong magbayad consistently until age 65, then go for level term. Yung product ng AIA na ganito is called Guardian 65. Yung 1 million coverage for a male age 30 is only 6,700 per year. Right? 6,700 lang. And fixed premium na yon hanggang age 65. Pero kung temporary protection lang muna ang gusto mo, and probably balak mong magkaroon or kumuha ng permanent plan later on, then increasing premium makes more sense. Yung product namin sa AIA is called Guardian One. Yearly renewable siya, which starts at only 3,260 pesos sa year 1 for, again, 30-year-old male. 1 million coverage na yan. So bottom line, start with term insurance kung limited ang budget para insured ka na. Ang importante, covered ka na habang pinaplano mo pa ang future mo. So, kung gusto mong kumuha ng ganito, tulungan kita. Send me a message at gawan kita ng quotation ng term insurance for your age, depende sa coverage na gusto mo at of course sa budget mo.